We're trying to achieve more gratitude in our kids, number one. Number two, we're getting them good at making financial decisions. They need practice.
Greg Merced is a father of 6 and the developer of the BusyKid app. It's a chores and allowance app that includes a debit card for kids to learn the basics of earning, spending, savings, investing, and giving. By the time his kids left the house, they each had saved 10 grand.
Kids learn best by doing this stuff.
Get your kids involved with the planning of the summer trip. They can learn just how expensive things are.
It costs a fortune to go on vacation these days.
The average cost of a 3-day trip for a family of 4, $3,600 depending on the destination and activities. Set a budget, figure out who is paying for what. If you're hitting a theme park this year, have your kids pitch in with the following.
Hey everybody, I'm going to pay for the ticket for you to get in, but once you get in, it's on you. The churros and the ice cream and the souvenirs and all that other stuff, the soda and the drinks, all that stuff's on you.
If they say they don't have enough money, they can start working toward it. Chores around the house or a part-time job, or
send them to the neighbor. Let them mow their lawn. Let them wash their car. Let them watch their dog when they're on their family vacation. All that kind of stuff will really be helpful, and it will teach them again how much money stuff costs and what they can do to contribute to the family vacation.
And here's an idea to try with the older kids.
On our family vacation, we're going to go out to eat. Go to the restaurant and then make sure everybody in the family has a debit card. And every person, when that bill comes, is going to put their debit card on the table and let the waiter pick who pays the bill.
They also get to figure out the tip, and they'll be much more appreciative the next time they don't have to pay for dinner out.